Hey everyone, Sony's already got us looking forward to next year's Xperia lineup. Despite just launching the impressive Xperia 1 VI flagship, rumors are swirling about what we might see with the Xperia 1 VII, and if these leaks hold water, Sony could be making some big changes to its camera setup. According to a recent post on China's Weibo, a source claims Sony is planning to ditch the vertical camera layout on the Xperia 1 VII. Instead, they might separate the telephoto and ultra-wide cameras from the main camera module. This redesign could allow Sony to beef up the sensors, making them larger and more capable. For instance, the telephoto sensor on the Xperia 1 VII could jump from a 3.5-inch sensor to a larger 0.3-inch sensor. Similarly, the ultra-wide camera might also get a boost with a larger sensor size. The advantage? Bigger sensors capture more light in detail, resulting in improved low-light performance and less noise in photos. The main camera, however, is rumored to maintain the same 1.3-inch sensor size as this year's model, which is already known for its stellar performance. Regarding zoom capabilities, while the Xperia 1 VI offers up to 7.1x optical zoom, the Xperia 1 VII's telephoto lens is rumored to extend from 70mm to 200mm, potentially offering even greater versatility for capturing distant subjects. Sony is expected to continue using its two-layer transistor pixel technology, which enhances image quality with a stacked CMOS sensor. This setup promises a wider dynamic range, delivering detailed photos with rich contrast across various lighting conditions. Interestingly, the rumor also suggests that Sony might skip releasing an Xperia 5 VI this year, possibly signaling the end of the Xperia 5 series. If true, the Xperia 1 VI would stand alone as Sony's flagship offering for 2024. Are you excited about these potential upgrades to Sony's Xperia lineup? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech.